Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Unley's World of Weather. You clicked onto the long-range weather forecast discussion for December 5th to the 17th. For December 5th to the 9th, the pattern consists of a mid-level vortex. We'll show that. Let me go back a little bit. A mid-level vortex here across central Canada with the trough moving into the eastern Pacific. Downstream region bills near or along the west coast. You can see it right here on the map, and a trough extends from the Vort over Canada into the central U.S. that slides eastward into the east. So here we are at the beginning of the period. We go to the 5th, and then we start seeing the below normal heights moving here into the east, and we look at the rest of the period. This happens by the end of the period. Now this is the European deterministics has a trough here, ridge along the east coast. I think it'll be more like the GFS solution, like this. So forecasting below normal temperatures for along the east coast. Now precipitation will wind down across the southern Rockies as a system in the southern stream will bring locally moderate to isolated heavy rainfall to the lower Mississippi Valley and parts of the southeast Thursday night and Friday. Moisture ahead of the eastern Pacific system should reach the west coast late this week and then spread inland over the west through the weekend. Rainfall and higher elevation snow totals are expected over favored terrain in the Sierra Nevadas across northern California. A cold front will reach far enough to the east for precipitation to spread into the eastern half of the country by next Monday, October 8th to the 12th. The European models and the NEFS, we're going to look at the depict de-amplification of the flow. So we'll look at this. See, as we go through the period, this will be through the 12th, and then we look at the NEFF and then the European ensembles forecast the de-amplification of the flow with above normal heights across the nation. GFS models keep the flow amplified with the ridge in the west and trough in the east. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of about maybe 4 degrees above normal, and then below normal temperatures forecast here with the anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation here, and for this region, the interior northeast, probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Now as we get to the next period, this will be for December 13th to the 17th. There are some discrepancies in the models, but with the AO currently in a positive phase and its forecast remain positive, that would mean a colder solution in the east. So I think the pattern will look similar to like this maybe. And for now, like most of the models depict a zone of flow this period with the trough in the center of the nation and above normal heights in the east. So I think due to the positive height anomaly centered near Greenland, but not here on this map, but here or let me see, like around here, this is the NEFS ensembles would tend to favor colder temperatures across the eastern U.S. compared to what the models are showing. So for this forecast period, I'm going to go out and say above normal temperatures here with anomalies of at least 4 degrees above normal, and then below normal temperatures for this region. And I'm forecasting anomalies of about 2 to 4 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, the change from the previous period is for above normal precipitation for most of the area east of the Mississippi River. So above normal temperature precipitation are forecast here, and the forecast the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for December 5th to 17th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.